This video covers evaluating an expression with a negative exponent and a whole number base. So for that, we need to learn a couple rules about negative exponents. So if r is a positive integer, then a to the negative r is 1 over a to the r. And if I have 1 over a to the negative r, that equals r squared. So kind of like negative exponents are fractions, right? And if I put a fraction in a denominator, right, that moves it to the top. And I can show you what I mean in this example. So I have 2 to the negative third. That becomes 1 over 2 cubed, because I push it to the denominator, which is 1 over 8. Now, I told you that negative exponents are fractions. So we have this nice little shortcut, but let me show you why this works. I have 1 over 1 to the 2 thirds. Well, that's dividing a fraction by another fraction, right? 1 divided by 1 over 2 thirds. When dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So basically, I just wanted to show you why this works, but from now on, you don't have to show me all this stuff, right? Like if I got 1 over 4 to the negative 6, you can just tell me that's 4 to the 6th. If I have 1 over 5 to the negative cubed, that is 5 cubed. But remember, if it's a negative exponent in the denominator, it comes to the top. But if I was to say just have 5 to the negative 3, that'd be 1 over 5 cubed, right? So I find that this is one of the more difficult rules to remember about exponents. So let's go through a few more examples. I have 5z to the negative 3. That negative 3 is attached to both my 5 and my z, right? I could even distribute it if I wanted. So those do become a fraction. I've got 1 over 5 cubed z cubed. For example 2, that negative 3 is only attached to my z, so that I've got 5 times 1 over z cubed, which would be 5z cubed. Now, if I have a negative exponent in my numerator, it becomes positive in the denominator. And if I have a negative exponent in my denominator, it becomes positive in my numerator. So this would be 9/8.